You want to sound natural? Just listen. 웬 꽃이야? 남자친구에게 받았어. 웬 꽃이야? 남자친구에게 받았어. That's correct. So, why does it feel distant? It's grammatically perfect. It's polite. You're talking to a friend, but it sounds like a report. In real conversation, it creates distance. Imagine this in real life. 나에게 왜 저래? You are mad, but you sound like you are writing a complaint letter. Who talks like that in real life? 나한테 왜 저래? That's anger, not paperwork. 그거 어떻게 알았어? 쿠키에게 들었어. Oh, this sounds like a news article. 쿠키한테 들었어. Yes, that's how friends talk. 엄마, 저 어때요? 그 옷은 너에게 크다. Are you reading a textbook? 그 옷은 너한테 크다. That's it. Warmer, closer. 저에게 큰 상을 주셔서 감사합니다. This is a speech. This is public. Here, 에게 sounds natural. Which one feels closer? 그거 누구에게 줄 거야? 그거 누구에게 줄 거야? 그거 누구한테 줄 거야? 그거 누구한테 줄 거야? Which one sounds like you're actually excited? Don't look at the letters, just listen. 나한테 좋은 생각이 있어. 나에게 좋은 생각이 있어. Don't think, just feel it. 웬 꽃이야? 남자친구에게 받았어. 남자친구한테 받았어. Same grammar. Different distance. Koreans feel it instantly. Match your tone to the relationship. Choose the distance you want, not the one your textbook taught you. You're learning real Korean, one bite at a time.